That's right, the thumbnail says it all. And if you want the recipe to that deliciousness, that garlicky honey barbecue chicken, then you come right on over. And while you're coming over, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and click the notification welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, guess what? I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong, where there's a lot of great things going on. But today, I promised that I was going to give you this recipe to this garlicky honey barbecue chicken. So stay tuned and let's get started. We started this marvelous meal with 6 to 8 cloves of garlic. Garlic, as I've said before in my videos, has many health benefits. They're good as a cancer fighter. It is good for your cholesterol. It's good for inflammation. There is a number of benefits that you will receive from eating garlic. Let me know in the comment section if you like garlic or if you know any other health benefits that you will get from garlic. We absolutely love garlic in our household. It has been a health benefit for us, and I cannot answer for anybody else because I recommend that you speak with your healthcare professional before trying any diet plans. Love, love, love garlic. We didn't use onions in this, but we had garlic galore and probably would have put more in it if time permitted. Look at your girl go chopping up this garlic. No tears. We also grow garlic, and we do not use a garlic press because it takes away from the potency of the garlic. I've said that before in my videos. So I'm a chopping person and I don't buy processed things, so I don't buy it already in the jar. We do it all fresh. Judge me, I'm still not the best with the knife. Cannot teach an old dog new tricks. But I'm very careful with it. But they say practice makes perfect. I've tried. I'm gonna keep trying. One day you guys are gonna see me cutting up this garlic and onions the right way. Now over to the stovetop we go. I'm using some extra virgin olive oil to saute the garlic as well as the chicken. We're going to saute this on medium heat. And there goes the yumminess going into the pot. This is a cast iron skillet, guys. There's benefits with cast iron skillet too. If you know what that benefit is, please put that in the comment box. And pay attention to your garlic. You do not want it to get crispy or burned. Olive oil does cook quick. I'm going to leave some of the garlic in the pan, and the most of it is going to go, well, most is going to stay in the pan. We're going to put a little on the top once the chicken is close to being done. Now we are going to put 2 more tablespoons of oil in another cast iron skillet, and that's where we're going to brown the chicken. That's going to also be on medium heat as well, because you do not want to cook it too fast. We're using just bare, no antibiotic, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We don't want any of that unhealthy things in our bodies. Now we're going to take the chicken, put it in the cast iron skillet. Again, we want it to cook evenly, so we're going to keep it on medium heat. We're going to get it a brown texture on each side. We're using garlic powder, onion powder. You can use salt and pepper, and we're using Caribbean seasonings. So yummy on each side. So you got to watch the chicken to make sure it doesn't burn, because you just want it to get a light brown coating. There's more of the garlic. We're putting the chicken in the cast iron skillet. You want to make sure that when you're adding your chicken, you want to leave a space. You don't want to smother the chicken in the pot or in the cast iron skillet. You want to leave a space in there so that it can cook evenly. Look at that deliciousness. Too bad I don't eat chicken. I'm vegan, but my family loves it. Now, we did put the seasoning on both sides. So you do have to watch this chicken to make sure that it does not burn. You just want a light brown caramel color on both sides of your chicken. So again, don't pack your chicken in the skillet. You gotta leave some air holes. And I'm going to brown this on the stove top for maybe about 10 minutes on each side. You see the holes in between. You don't want to smother the chicken. Light brown on each side, guys. It's going to go in the oven for 20 minutes on 375. Just check it on both sides, and when it reaches 165 degrees, your chicken is done. I use Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce and honey to make the glaze that you put on 10 minutes before your chicken is done. Wow, look how amazing this looks. I will sprinkle garlic on top just to seal the deal, guys. And here is your yumminess. Bon appetit! Thank you for joining me again today for another series of Eat, Drink, and Be Happy. Also, I want to remind you to send me in those comments. Drop them in my DM or my Facebook. They're all in the description box, because I want to know what you want me to make. I want to put them in a jar so that I can shout your channel out. I'm going to start pulling it at the end of the video beginning next week. So again, thank you for joining me today. Be sure to review the full video, leave me a genuine comment about this video, then thumbs me up, and share me out, because sharing is caring. And if you're not a friend of mine on YouTube, please be sure to go down below and subscribe to my channel. But don't you dare forget to go right next door and click that notification bell so you can be notified of all my videos when they're uploaded. I want to thank you again for joining me today. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.